This video is a basic introduction to Microsoft Project, just to get you off on the right track and ensure that you are using the correct scheduling and that you know how to quickly link your tasks together. So I've created a project program just with 4 tasks. You'll see that they've started with the task mode here of manually scheduled, which is the default. It can be changed. So I'm going to, first of all, change this to automatically scheduled. And if I select the other 3, I can do that in bulk up here. So notice you can quickly change them. I'm going to identify the durations of the tasks. And this will mean that at the moment they are all sitting on this date. Now, I want my project to begin at the beginning of February. So I'm going to project and I'm going to project information and I'm going to move my start date to February. That will change them. And these dates will go blue so that it highlights any changes in the dates for you when you make any changes to your project. And lastly, we are going to select all of those tasks. And I am going to go into my task ribbon and I'm going to go into my link tasks. And you can see what that will do is it will link them from start to finish, telling me that based on those durations, starting on the 3rd of February, I'll be finished on the 21st of February. See you next time.